Japan Airlines 123 approaches its cruising altitude.
Okay, 1,000 feet to go and we'll level off.
Yes, sir.
As they near 24,000 feet, the crew settles in for what's expected to be a smooth flight.
If an airplane is suddenly displaced by some violent force, the autopilot can suddenly kick off. Then the pilots now have to take control and physically steer the airplane again.
Something exploded? I'm squawking 7700.
Putting 7700 into the transponder is a way of broadcasting an urgent situation.
Was that a gear door?
Check gear. What about the engines?
All engines are good.
When something unusual or sudden happens, pilots are trained to stop, analyze, evaluate the situation before simply reacting.
Look at this.
16 seconds after the explosion, the pilots realize the cabin is losing pressure.